Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Today I have a really special video for you. I have the Varjo XR-3, one of the most expensive headsets that are able to do virtual and augmented reality. So the XR-3 is $5,500 bucks. Holy shit. And it's an honor for me to unbox it in this video and to give you my first impression of the headset. I'm really looking forward to that. It has a high resolution display, very clear lenses. It has a LiDAR sensor, so it can 3D dimensional scan your room in up to 5 meters distance. It has auto IPD. It has foveated rendering, eye tracking, hand tracking. It's crazy. So I'm looking forward to that. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel, thanks to my sponsors, VoodooDE VR, Oppermann Events, Peter Wasmeier, Virtual Escape, Slim Beats and PayPaI. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, welcome to the unboxing. So the package is not very spectacular, it's just we have to be honest, it's an ugly package, but it says Varjo here on the front, and there's a little sticker that says Varjo XR-3. That's everything. Very unspectacular. Let's open that. Let's open that. So here we go. Here's the headset. Let's put it on the side because this is the coolest thing. We will see that later. So, let's check out what's inside the package here. There is one thing here gets started. Let's check it out. We have cleaning cloth here, you see. Then this is, I don't know, I think it's like for calibrating the augmented reality cameras. I don't know, we will see that. Oh, it's sticker, we can stick it somewhere. And the user guide. As it seems, it's the same for the XR-3 and the VR-3. So yeah, I have the XR-3, the more expensive one. So this is one of the most expensive headsets ever I have here. Yeah, manual on different languages. I will tell you the setup in my review, of course, how that works. So this is the first thing. Then we have two boxes here. This is the first box. It's USB-C here, where we can connect one part of the headset and DisplayPort and USB. And the same thing again. Yeah, crazy. We have the power plugs on both sides here. We have two power plugs for this headset. It's absolutely crazy. So this part 2 times. And that's this thing. And here are the two power plugs. Look at this. There are connectors for nearly every country. See that here's that for Germany, for example. This is United States, and with different ones. And this is the same here as well. So we need 2 of them. Ha! That's definitely very crazy. We need a lot of power here. Soon they will have to build a new power plant in my city here. Oh my god. So guys, and here we go. Here is the headset. Look at this. It's very beautiful. As you can see here, this is the XR-2. Yeah, it's with the 2 big camera fields here. Absolutely crazy. And yeah, let's check out in detail. Here, I have no idea. These are different sensors here because of the augmented and mixed reality functions. The normal VR-3 looks different. Perhaps you've seen that in the internet already, but this is the better version with more functions. I don't know. Looks great, but you can also see the fingerprints here. That's something. Then we have the cooling slots here. Then on the right side we have 2 buttons menu button and I think OK button, I don't know. On the other side, the audio jack, because we have no built-in speakers here. There is no built-in speakers. Yeah, here we have the two connectors. Oh, that's USB-C. We can disconnect that. I don't. Ah, yeah, okay. That's this one. And what I really love here is the functions to adjust it on your head. We have this wheel here for our head, and this is for the back of our head. And also on the side we can turn it up and down on both sides, and that's something I've never seen before. That's so cool. When we check out the lenses are really small. I expect a really small field of view, unfortunately, but we will see. But these are, as it seems, no Fresnel lenses. They are completely clear, and I'm really looking forward to that. Seems as it has IPD adjustment as well. Cool. Perhaps auto IPD. We will see that in the review. We can remove this part here, and that's interesting. The cable, we have definitely these two USB-C connectors. I will tell you in the review how long the cable is. So we have A and B here, two connectors to the PC. Yeah, that's the headset, guys. And now let's put it on the head, and I have to do to the maximum because of my alien skull. And yeah, so we can adjust it here, and then here, and then here on the sides. So it has a perfect fit. Never seen so much adjustment to your head. It's great. It's great. But this headset is very heavy. I can already tell you. I can feel it in my neck already. It's very, very heavy. I will tell you how much the weight is in the review. But yeah, it sits perfect on my head. And I'm totally looking forward to review that for you and to try it, of course. So guys, tell me in the comments below what you want to see. Perhaps you've already seen the VR3 in the internet, but this is the XR2 with more functions, with mixed reality. Perhaps you want to see some different stuff here with the mixed reality function. It's a very expensive headset, of course, but yeah, we will see. Give me please some days. I cannot do this in 2 or 3 days. It's a lot of work, I think, to handle all this stuff. I have to call with Varjo as well to get the setup and stuff. So if you want to hear something special, then write it in the comments below. And as you already know my channel, you will see a very honest and brutal review as always. If you want to support me, go on Patreon or YouTube membership, only $1 per month, that would be great. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE